Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn chapter 7 in that hormones in animals. What are hormones? See, hormones are chemical messengers. Such a chemical messengers control and coordinate our body. We are going to learn about the hormones present in human being. Okay, let's see that. How are such chemical or hormones means of information transmission used in animals? What do some animals, for instance, squirrels, experience when they are in a scary situation? Their bodies have to prepare for either fighting or run away. So, many activities in our body suddenly taking some decision because of the chemical messengers they are helping us. If the body design in the squirrel relied only on the electrical impulses, that is through nerve cell, the range of tissue instructed to prepare for the coming activity would be limited. On the other hand, if a chemical signal were to be sent, then it will be faster and quicker, it will be responded. Okay, so we will see that some of the endocrine glands in human body. See that you can see that both male and female there are. See, the pineal gland is there, pituitary gland is there, hypothalamus is there. That all are associated in the brain region. Okay, and see thyroid gland and parathyroid they are in the neck region, thymus in the chest region, and adrenal in the kidney, then pancreas. Pancreas is just below the stomach, that is U-shaped duodenum, it is there. Then in the male there is the testes and female the ovary, they are also endocrine glands. Okay, let's see that. Let's see what about this endocrine glands regarding this. Let's see the body design. You have seen that hormones, how it is reacting. One of the hormone, adrenaline, secreted from the adrenal glands. Okay, adrenaline is secreted directly into the blood and carried to different parts of the body. The target organs or the specific tissues on which it acts include the heart. As a result, the heart beats faster, resulting in supply of more oxygen to our muscles. The blood to the digestive system and the skin is reduced due to contraction of muscles around small arteries in this organ. This diverts the blood to our skeletal muscles. The breathing rate also increases because of the contraction of the diaphragm and the rib muscles. All these responses together enable the animal body to be ready to deal with the situation. Such animal hormones are part of the endocrine system, which constitute a second way of control and coordination in our body. Again, you can see that adrenaline is directly secreted into the blood and carried to the different parts of the body. Okay, and remember, in plants have the hormones. Which are the hormones we have studied in plants? That is auxin, cytokinin, gibberellin, abscisic acid, and ethylene. And what functions animal hormones perform? On the face of it, we cannot imagine the role in directional growth. We have never seen an animal growing more in one direction or the other, depending upon light or gravity. But if we think about it a bit more, we will become evident that even in animal bodies, growth happens carefully controlled places. Plant will grow leaves in many phases on the plant body. For example, if we do not grow fingers, if do not grow fingers on fingers, this design of the body is carefully maintained even during the growth of children. That means because of the hormones effect, the growth is controlled, our metabolism is controlled. All our activities are controlled. See, the endocrine gland, see, the pituitary gland produce the hormone which helps in the growth. The thyroid gland produces the hormone that is necessary for the control of metabolism. Adrenal gland produces adrenaline, which is for the fight flight hormone. The emergency situation is managed. The thymus gland produces the thymosin that is necessary for the that is our necessary for the immune system, okay, and parathyroid hormone that is necessary for the maintenance of calcium phosphate level. Then the endocrine gland that is of the uh, that pancreas, it is both exocrine and endocrine. The endocrine section produces the insulin and glucagon which maintains the blood glucose level. And the testes, that is in the male it is testosterone, it is produced. In female it is ovary, it is produced hormone estrogen and progesterone. So like that, in all the entire body there are the hormones are having the chemical coordinators. Let us examine some example to understand how hormones help in coordinated growth. We have all seen that as the salt packets which say iodized salt or enriched with iodine. Why it is important for us to have iodized salt in our diet? Iodine is necessary for the thyroid gland to make thyroxine the hormone. Thyroxine regulates carbohydrates, protein, and fat metabolism in the body so as to provide the best balance for growth. Iodine is essential for the synthesis of thyroxine. In case of iodine is deficient in our diet, there is possibility that we might suffer from goiter. One of the symptoms in this disease is a swollen neck. Can you correlate this with the position of the thyroid gland? Sometimes the thyroid deficiency is there. The thyroid gland grows in such a way, enlarges and forms a swelling in the neck region. It is called goiter. You must have noticed many dramatic changes in your appearance as well as that of your friends in those approached in the teenage. Okay, this is associated with the puberty because of the secretion of testosterone in male and estrogen in female. They are hormones produced by the sex organs itself. Do you know anyone in your family or friends has to be advised by the doctor to take less sugar in their diet because they are suffering from diabetes? As a treatment, they might be taking injection of insulin. This is a hormone which is produced by the pancreas and helps in regulating blood sugar levels. It is not secreted in proper amounts. The sugar level in the blood rises, causing many harmful effects. You must have noticed many dramatic changes, okay, in the friends. So if it is so important that hormones should be secreted in precise quantities, we need a mechanism through which this is done. The timing and amount of hormone released are regulated by feedback mechanism. For example, if the sugar level in blood rises, they are detected by the cells of the pancreas which respond by producing more insulin. As the blood sugar level falls, insulin secretion is reduced. This is a feedback mechanism. So regarding the hormones, first you have to learn regarding the different endocrine glands. Their product is the hormones, and you have to learn it well, which are the hormones and what are its hyper and hypoactivity and all. If it is more produced, what is given in your textbook, based on you have to learn. Okay, bye, see you again. Okay, bye.